This is Kiran. Today I am going to discuss you how to control the speed of a DC motor by using this circuit. And let's make this one of your own. So the components required are these are the components required for making this stuff. And let's see the diagram. This is the circuit diagram for making this, and I especially dedicate this thing to the school kids, those who want to make their projects and want to control their DC motor speed. So I especially dedicate for them this whole thing. So this is made on a NE555 IC, which is the central part and the brain of this. So let's see this. This is the central part, the IC. This is the IC NE555, and you can see some of the other components too, which I will explain. So before making this, you should know the IC. So this is the IC 555. This is an easily available thing and it's cost about 10 rupees in an Indian market. So how to know the pins? So above this you can see a notch, or on the this side you can see a notch, and from there you count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 respectively. These are the pin configurations. You can see this thing. Okay. So here it comes a small notch, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins, and BD679 transistor. You should know the metal part comes on the back side. Then you should count ECB as pin 1, 2 and 3. This is the metal part. So ECB comes from the other side. Okay. This is the back side. And next is the diode. Diode pins. The silver lining shows cathode, and the positive side, the anode part, is the black one. The symbol is represented by this. So see the silver line. This is the silver line. This is the negative. This is the positive. Okay. So let's come back to the circuit diagram. First you have to attach the IC in the PCB like this. And next, first pin is connected to the ground. Okay. First pin you should connect to the ground. Next, fifth pin is connected to the ground using a 100 nanofarad capacitor. This is the 100 nanofarad capacitor. You can see the two capacitors, the 100 farad, and the second pin and the sixth pin is short circuited, and the second pin connected to the ground using 1 nanofarad capacitor. And next, the 6th, 7th pins are going to the 5K variable resistor. This is the 5K variable resistor, and it got 3 pins, pin number 1, 2 and 3. The middle pin is going to the 6th pin of the IC555, and the outer pins, 2 pins, are connected to the diode. One diode, both diodes are reversed, one on the opposite side like this. Then it is connected to the 7th pin, and using a 1K resistor it is connected to the VCC, or the 6 watt power supply. Then the fourth pin is connected to the VCC directly. Also the eighth pin. The fourth and the eighth pin are connected to. See, then the third pin, it is connected with a 470 ohm resistor to the BD679 base part. Okay, the 470 ohm resistor connected to the base, and this BD679, you should connect all this pin in an appropriate way. Don't confuse it with and it should be connected in the right way. And here IN4004 diode is connected at the part of the motor in order to protect the whole circuit, and it's connected to the power supply. These are the things, and you should connect a DC motor of 6 volt, because if you connect a lesser DC motor means you can't able to adjust the speed, because the 6 volt power supply is so big that the motor sometimes will burn out or it will spin faster, and you can't able to know you are controlling or not, because in the smallest variable resistance itself this motor will spin much faster. So connect a DC motor of 6 volt. In mine I have connected a lesser motor. It's not a 6 volt DC motor, so we can't able to slow the rotation much lesser. So this is the thing, guys. You can make this, I guarantee. The circuit you can make even if you don't know the electric components and also the basics of this electronics. So let's find how this is working. Just on that. See, by controlling this you can adjust the speed. Thank you, guys. Make your own. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.